Have you ever been fascinated by the complex dance of nature and life? If so, you're in good company. Hey everyone, welcome to the premiere video on this channel. I'm Josue, and I can't wait to unveil a project that I've been working on for some time. It's called miniBIOTA. It's a cutting-edge closed ecosystem with interconnected habitats that is complete with its very own water cycle. Ever since I could remember, I've been deeply curious about the ecosystems, their cycles, and the intricate interplay of the flora and fauna. I would dream of capturing a slice of nature in order to observe it at all times and unlock its secrets. I then created miniBIOTA to finally do just that. This channel is a way to share this passion for ecosystems as we unfold the complexities and fragility of our very own planet through the interactions right here inside this miniature world. The system you see here is BIOTA 2, our second setup proudly located here at MetaHumans, a STEM education center for children aged 7 to 17 in Orlando, Florida. This system encompasses a terrestrial grassland habitat, a lake shoreline, a freshwater lake, and 2 atmospheric habitats, each featuring 4 reservoirs we call clouds that connect and release water. These habitats are completely interconnected through the soil, the surface, and the atmosphere, creating a seamless flow of life between these separate environments. The atmospheres above the terrestrial and shoreline habitats each have 2 connections that allow for natural convection currents to form. In essence, they form a synchronized and cohesive world, each influencing the other just like in nature. The best part is, all life processes and nutrient cycles are contained within the enclosure using no equipment like fans, pumps, and filters inside the biota at all. All the flora and fauna inside rely entirely on their natural cycle for survival. There are only 2 external inputs to the system, and that is light and temperature. These are the sole energies transferred into our miniBIOTA. Light shines over the habitats, and we use either hot or cold water at the back of the glass to influence the temperature within the habitat. In effect, the habitats inside the miniBIOTA are fueled in a similar way to our very own planet, with the sun providing light and heat, and the vacuum of space providing cold temperatures high above. While BIOTA 2 showcases our progress, BIOTA 1 is the original prototype and where it all began. It might look a bit rough at the moment, as it lacks the systems that BIOTA 2 has, but that's all about to change. Life has flourished here for years, and we're planning some exciting updates, so stay tuned. There's so much here to build and discover. Together on this channel, we'll enhance these systems, monitor conditions, add new habitats, and venture into the complex interactions that reflect Earth's very own biomes. With this, I won't promise you a destination, but this will certainly be an extraordinary adventure that will take us on quite a journey. I hope that you'll join me on this journey. I can't wait to share the remarkable discoveries that lie ahead. We'll see you next time.